Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by editing your profile to reflect the promotion, open experience, and add the new title with the promotion date. Explain why this role matters and what changed. Highlight 2 measurable responsibilities. Once done, update your headline to be concise and keyword-rich so people instantly see the promotion. Make sure the About section mentions career growth and next step goals. These changes set context before you post and help LinkedIn surface your update to relevant connections. Now create the announcement post. Open Create Post and write a short, clear message. Lead with the promotion, add gratitude for support, and finish with what you'll focus on next. Use 1 or 2 hashtags and tag your company or manager to increase visibility and credibility. Attach a single image or 10-30-second video that feels professional. Visuals boost engagement. Once drafted, preview and remove any internal sensitive details. Post during peak hours for your network to maximize reach and engagement. Finish by actively engaging. Reply to comments and thank people within 2 days to keep momentum. This also signals LinkedIn to promote the post. Make sure your privacy and notification settings allow network visibility of job changes so updates appear in feeds. If the post underperforms, troubleshoot. Reshare with added insight or a slide summarizing goals, and try different posting times. If privacy or tagging issues persist, double-check company page and tag permissions, then adjust and repost with minor edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.